Welcome guys, my name is Albert, and in today's video I have a clip that I am going to show you because we are going to be talking about why you shouldn't get tricked into the friend zone. Okay, so if you have not already, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos, because on this channel I teach you guys how to become better men and how to improve your interactions with women. Okay, so let's dive right into this video. Okay, like I said, I'm going to show you guys a clip. I wanted to say a little bit of things before the clip, but I think the clip should just roll, so let's roll the clip right now.
I'm gonna explain friend zoning from a girl's perspective. So ladies, you can let me know if I'm wrong. And for the boys, please just try to understand this if you don't already. When a girl friend zones you, it's for one of two reasons. One, she likes you, but she doesn't want it like that. It's too overwhelming. She doesn't want to lose you. Two, she doesn't like you. Whether she likes you or not, friend zoning you is not an insult. It doesn't mean she's playing you either. You're free to move on and find whoever you want, but we want to keep you around as our friend because we value that relationship over risking it to date you. And we don't want you to ghost us and stop talking to us. We want you to just be there as a friend. Don't get offended by it. Own it. She still cares about you so much.
So you see, as you've just heard, this is why I tell you guys, never take advice from women. Because it's not that they give bad advice, it's that they give horrible advice. Here's the thing, I will give her some points. The dangerous thing about women is that they will give you good advice mixed in with horrendous advice, right? So let's take the clip that she just that we just watched. First, she says, she makes a point about a woman will put you in the friend zone because she doesn't like you, which I agree with. She doesn't like you in that way. Maybe she might not hate you, but she doesn't like you in a sexual and intimate way, which I agree with, right? And if she had just said that, boom, I would have no arguments. I would just let the clip be on the internet, said nothing. But I came across this clip and I listened to the whole thing and I was like, okay, one part is good, but the other part was where it just became garbage, right? And again, I'm not disparaging the person. I'm just saying women give horrible advice when it comes to dating. Right? When it comes to dating, women give horrible advice. She says, when a woman puts you in the friend zone, it doesn't mean you should ghost her. It doesn't mean you should leave. When she puts you in the friend zone, it means that she cherishes your friendship so that she doesn't make it more, so that she doesn't ruin that friendship because she cherishes the friendship. Oh, what a load of horse shit. What a load of horse shit. I am telling you, do not listen to that. Here's the reason why, right? Women that put guys in the friend zone, do not put them in the friend zone because they go, I cherish his friendship. If it's a guy that they've been friends with for a long time and then he professes his love to her, the reason why he's in the friend zone is because she didn't see him as anything sexual and she just wants him around because he is useful to her at that moment. She is planning on using him in some moment, or she's actually actively using him for attention. That is why when she says, oh, don't ghost the girl that puts you in the friend zone, you should definitely ghost the girl that puts you in the friend zone. If a girl tells you, look, I just see you as a friend, that should be the end of it. You should never contact that girl ever again, right? Unless that girl is she's vital to your livelihood or something, that she's vital to you in some way, as in like, if she's out of your life, you are going to cease to exist, right? Barring that, if a girl puts you in the friend zone, like you literally told her, hey, look, this is the way I see you, and she decides, you know what, I don't see you that way, I see you more as a friend. You say, okay, good. You don't need to get mad. You don't need to get angry. You don't need to think about her as some guys will start calling the girl a B word, an S word. You don't need to do all that. We ain't got time for all that, right? Go move on to another girl, right? your journey with this girl has ended. Do stop fantasizing that maybe if you were friends with her down the road it's going to turn into something. It's never going to turn into anything, right? It's never going to turn into everything. If you want to be the 1%, actually I'm saying 1%, 0.0001% of guys that are friends with a girl for like 10, 15 years and then finally guys, you don't want to do that. Okay, you do not want to do that. Look, here is the reason why I always tell you guys, always make your intentions known. Because girls will make you believe, right, that they want you as a friend because they cherish your friendship. This is bull. This is bull crap. Okay? She just wants to be your friend because she wants a male validation, a male attention. When she can't get it from the guy that she's dating, you know, she needs someone there to cry on their shoulder, someone that will give them a ride to the airport, somebody just to be like an emotional tampon. And if you allow this, then you will become her emotional tampon. Not a friend. Anytime you say a girl is your friend, say, I am a girl's emotional tampon. That's it. Okay? Remember, men and women play frame games. When it comes to intimacy and dating and stuff, when you like a girl, you are playing a frame, right? She has a frame and you have a frame. If she accepts your frame, right, that you are setting forward, as in, look, I see you this way and I want us to be lovers, right? If she accepts your frame, then that's what you guys are going to be. But when she says that she wants to be just friends, that's the frame that she has put forward. If you accept her frame, that means that you are submitting to her and you are accepting her frame. So in that case, you become the submissive one and she becomes the dominant one. Where it's like, how is she supposed to be attracted to that? So if you want to make sure that you're never in the friend zone with a woman, always make her accept your frame, because you have to be the dominant one. She's the submissive one and she has to accept your frame. Remember, guys, do not take advice. Again, because of this clip, right? This is a very good reason you shouldn't take advice from women about dating, especially when it comes to your dating life. Because women will give you advice that will put you in the submissive role always. They will give you advice that will end you up in the friend zone. Okay, so you need to when a girl gives you dating advice, take it with a grain of salt. Because like I said, it's not that they give bad advice, they give horrible advice. Why? Because they tend to mix the good advice with the horrible advice and package it up and gives it to you, right? Just to wrap this video up, if you have a girl that you want to be intimate with, as in you want to set up the frame with you and her, that you guys are lovers, right? Now, I'm not saying that you're going to get every girl that you're going to ask out, right? But you won't end up in the friend zone because you always let your intentions known up front. You don't wait 2, 3, 4, 5 dates before you actually let your intentions know. Because the longer you go, right, the longer you go seeing a girl and you haven't made your intentions known that you are trying to get both of you in a sexual or lover type of frame, the longer you go hanging out with her, she will see you as a friend, a potential friend, right? And you want to know whether she sees you as a friend or a lover as early as you can by letting her know your intentions very early on in the interaction. When you're getting her number on that first date, you have to let your intentions be known. And if she is not willing to accept your frame, that is the end of it. You don't continue seeing this person, because cut the nonsense. You don't want this person as a friend. You want them as a lover. You want to be intimate with this person, okay? Don't let women trick you into believing, oh, you know what? A friendship with her she values friendship with you way more than actually being intimate with you. That is nonsense, okay? Guys, that is the video for today. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel, hit this video with a like, because it helps us grow in the algorithm, right? It helps the algorithm push us out to more people. If If you guys haven't commented yet, let me know what you guys think about this topic in the comments. I love interacting with you guys down there. Okay. And with that, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.